Next problem is, each room of a high-rise building is fitted with 90 tiles. There are 22 rooms in each building and there are 25 such buildings in the complex. Calculate the number of tiles fitted in the whole complex. See here, I've shown it pictorially. This is one building. There are 22 rooms. All these are 22. These are 9 now. I've just shown it for example. Total these are 22 rooms and in each room there are 90 tiles. So in a building, this full building, how many tiles would be there? 90, 90, 90, 90, 22 times. So 90 multiplied by 22. In one building there would be 90 multiplied by 22 tiles. How many buildings are there in total? There are 25 buildings. So each building will have 90 multiplied by 22 equals to 1980, 1980 tiles, one building. There are 25 buildings. So 1980 multiplied by 25. I have shown this multiplication, 1980 into 25, that 5, then 2. Again I don't suggest this method because it's too long. You need to understand the table of 25. 25 0 0, 25 8s are 200 0, then 20 up, then 25 9s are 225, 22 45, 24 up, 25 1s are 25 and this 24, so 49. Directly you should be able to do it. That much fast your calculations need to be. If you don't know, then follow this method. Okay, so the answer is 49,500.